Good morning, YouTube. I just woke up. I'm going to take you through what I eat in a day. So my day is already off to a strange start. I normally get up at around 7 a.m. or 7:30 a.m., but I totally overslept this morning. It's 9 a.m. on a Friday, so I'm a little bit out of it, but I'm still going to take you through my regular routine. So first things first for me, I always start with some vitamins and then coffee. Coffee before anything. I am not a breakfast person. I've never been a breakfast person. I don't like to eat in the morning. I find that it makes me very nauseous, and I've been like that pretty much my whole entire life. So no real food for me until I've been awake for at least a few hours. But I cannot survive without a morning cup of coffee, and I love to use it with my French press. So let's go ahead and make that. Good morning, Cleo. So before I make my coffee, I always feed the cats and feed the dog. She's outside right now. Hi. Hi, Kitkat. How are you this morning? So while my water starts to boil for the French press that I have over here, I'm taking 2 of these gummies. You guys saw me talk about these gummies in my iHerb haul video, and I've been repurchasing it since then. I really like it. I take them every single morning. It's really good for your hair and for your nails, and I have seen a difference, so I do quite recommend that. And now water is boiling on the stove. I'm gonna add in some coffee. I know it sounds silly that I'm using the McDonald's coffee. It's honestly delicious. Like, I never thought I would say that about McDonald's coffee, but it is super yummy. So that's what we're using this morning. Good morning, Luna. Hi. Hi. Go get your food. Breakfast time. Cup of coffee is made, and I am now ready to start my day. So I only put unsweetened vanilla almond milk in my coffee. I hate putting sugar in coffee. I've just never really been a fan of that. And then I have a big jug of water here with a 1/4 slice of lemon, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna keep next to me for the next, I don't know, I think I'm gonna work for like an hour and a half, and then I'll have to take Luna out for a walk. And hopefully by then I'll be hungry enough, and I'll take you through what I eat in the morning, which is a smoothie. And you already know this if you've watched my morning routine on YouTube. So I have my journal. I'm still doing that morning routine. So I'm not including that in this video because this is what I eat in a day and not my morning routine. But yeah, just coffee and lemon water for me for the next little bit, and then I'll actually have some food. Okay, yogis, it's noon. I just got back from an hour-long walk with Luna. It was really hot out, and now I am hungry. So I do this every time, every day, whenever I get back from my walk. First thing that I eat is a smoothie. I've gathered all my ingredients, and I'm going to show you what you need if you would like to replicate this at home. Okay, so I'm using my Vitamix for this smoothie. I absolutely recommend a Vitamix. I know it's expensive, but those things are absolutely amazing. So what I put in my smoothie is 1 scoop of vegan protein powder. This is, again, the same one that I mentioned in the iHerb haul. I've gone back and repurchased it. It is awesome. It's by far my favorite one. I'm not vegan, but I am pescatarian, so I stay away from meat protein. Flax seeds. So this one I ordered by accident. I normally like to get full or whole flaxseed. This one is already ground. Doesn't really matter. I usually put about 1 teaspoon or so of this. My green defense, again, I'm repeating myself, but this is also something that I get from iHerb. I absolutely love it. And the links to all of these things will be down below in the description box. So I put 1 scoop of this, and this is just a way to get some extra greens into your diet. I always put 1 banana and an extra fruit. My favorite is berries of any kind, but if I don't have berries that day, I'm going to put basically any other fruit that I have at home. If you hear a squeaking in the background, that is Luna being crazy and playing around. What you doing? So she's a puppy still, so no matter how much we exercise her, there's always more energy left. Okay, back to the smoothie. Okay, so 1 banana, I'll probably put about 5 strawberries in here, a handful of spinach, especially because I don't eat meat. It's important that I consume a lot of iron in my diet through some leafy greens, 4 or 5 ice cubes, and then I'll add some water. So let's go ahead and make it. Alright, there you have it. I know it doesn't look very appealing, but I swear it tastes amazing. So I probably won't eat for another 2 hours or so. I usually tend to get hungry around 2 or 3 p.m. and then I have my version of a lunch. I guess that's kind of why I've been avoiding doing a what I eat in a day type of video, because I don't think my eating habits are super normal, and I honestly think they're really boring also. So I don't know, we'll see what this video turns out like, but what I do recommend is trying this smoothie at home. It's so easy, it tastes amazing, and it's super, super healthy for you. All right, I'm gonna go drink it. Oh, one tip with smoothies as well. I know it's tempting, but try not to drink it too fast. You really do want to give yourself the opportunity and the time to properly digest it. So taking small sips, and it's gross, but you do want to kind of let your saliva swirl around with it. It helps to break it down so that you can digest it even better when it does hit your stomach. So just my little smoothie drinking tip. Okay, I'm gonna drink it now. Okay, it's about 2:15 p.m. and I'm hungry, so I'm grabbing a little bit of lunch. This is just like a collection of leftovers. So over here, this is just leftovers. They're like little butternut squash rolls made by my mother-in-law. They're so good. They have butternut squash, ricotta cheese, some tomato sauce, basil, and it's wrapped in a little pasta. And then I just have some hummus, a little bit of pita bread, half an avocado, carrots, and some cherry tomatoes. So very simple. Again, probably boring, but that's what I'm gonna eat, and it's gonna be delicious. Oh, and I forgot to mention it. I forgot to mention it, but I have been refilling my water bottle, so I'm on my second fill of this jug. Oh my goodness, can I help you? She's a licker, if you haven't noticed. Okay, so it's about 7 p.m. I'm getting to dinner a little bit late today, but I'm cooking up some pretty simple stuff. You can hear it sizzling there in the back. So grilled tofu with some black bean paste, some jasmine rice, and some vegetables that I'm frying up. So vegetables that I have some eggplant and some red peppers. All right, guys, so there you have the finished result. I've got some delicious rice, some tofu, and the black bean paste, and then assorted vegetables right here. And what I have learned from this vlog making today is that I am really good at making delicious food look terrible on camera. So you'll just have to take my word for it that it tastes really good. Okay guys, so this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. I've got my food in front of me and I'm gonna go eat it. What else am I going to eat today? Really, I'm just going to probably have some biscotti after this because I tend to always have like a snack after dinner. I'm definitely a bit of a snacker after mealtime, but I've been pretty good lately, so I'm gonna limit it to 1 or 2 biscotti after this, probably drink more water. If I do happen to eat more, I'll, film it or whatever, but I really don't think it's gonna be more than this. So if you've actually made it to the end of this video, you are a trooper. What did you think? I honestly, it boggles my mind that people want to know what I eat in a day, but I've been on YouTube for almost 5 years now, or 4.5 years or something, and not a week goes by that I don't get this request. So you guys, a lot of you have been waiting for this for a very long time. I'm pretty sure I've probably disappointed you in some way because this has got to be the world's most boring YouTube video. But if you liked it, tell me why you like it. And if you want more, hey, I have no problem showing you the foods that I prepare and the foods that I eat. So if this was educational or entertaining for any of you, then that's wonderful. And now I'm gonna wrap this up and start to eat some food and wind down from my day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I put out new full-length yoga classes every single Thursday and then fun little videos like this every now and again. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.